Our extreme grilling continues with two shellfish from the West Coast, king crab from Alaska and fresh spiny lobster from right here in Santa Barbara. And they both get basted with a butter sauce made with a spirit that was outlawed for 100 years. First, that butter baste. Start by melting a stick and a half of butter. Next, add finely chopped garlic, chopped fresh herbs, and I have chives, tarragon, flat leaf parsley, and thyme. Then a pinch of sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. And cook this mixture until the garlic begins to brown. Next, add absinthe. Now, absinthe, you may remember, was the spirit so prized by the French Impressionists. One of the ingredients was wormwood, and wormwood was believed to have made you crazy. Absinthe was outlawed for a century. However, recently it was discovered that wormwood did not make you crazy. Absinthe is back on the market now, and I love its anisey flavor. It goes great with grilled shellfish. Next, for the king crab, what I did is simply cut this top shell, and I cut out a little trapdoor so that I can brush the absinthe butter into the crab. These are local spiny lobsters. I had my fishmonger cut them in half. The bright orange you see here is the roe. To grill the shellfish, I'm using Basques Sugar Maple Charcoal. I've raked the coals out in a single layer. For the lobsters, I'm going to grill them caveman style. That is, directly on the embers. What I love about this method, it's so elemental. The shells will char, you'll get this amazing smoky flavor. The visuals are off the chart dramatic. And now for the king crab. And I'll cook the king crab right on the grill grate. Remember, king crab comes to you cooked already, so you really just want to warm it. And orient the wider part of the crab, the body, toward the center of the grill, which is hotter. As the shellfish grills, baste it with absinthe butter. Once the lobster meat is pearl white and firm to the touch, transfer it to a metal sheet pan. So here's your lobster. And now take off the crab. Then baste the crab and the lobster one more time with the absinthe butter. That anisey aroma is otherworldly. Let's see how we did. Lobster, king crab, and a squeeze of grilled lemon. Wow, what's really interesting about this is the charred shell gives the lobster such a smoky flavor. And the crab, so moist, so tender, so briny with that sweet anise flavor.